Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today, we're going to focus on mathematics. So we have our times table here, and I'm going to make it easy, super easy for you to practice. So the first thing you have to remember is that it is important for you to practice every day or every other day because mathematics is a very important subject. Now, how will you practice? I'm suggesting 3 ways for you to practice. You can be active by listening and watching, writing and reading, or singing and dancing. For example, you can just watch and listen to this video while you're doing other things, or you can focus just on the video. Or you can take out your notebook and write while you're reading what is on the screen. Or you can make up a little song and dance as you practice your times table. Anyone or a combination of them all or something totally different that I have not suggested, as long as you practice, I will be happy that you're learning your times table. Ready, set, go! 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 3 equal 3. 1 times 4 equal 4. 1 times 5 equal 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 1 times 11 equals 11. 1 times 12 equals 12. So you notice that you get back the same number. Let's go to our 2 times table. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. Now let's go to our 3 times. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. Now our 4 times table. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48. Now, students, for those of you who like to write, you are going to go on the website. The link is in the description box below. On the page of the website that says displays and downloads, you can download the free times table and also the multiplication chart from 1 to 12. For those of you who want to watch more videos, there's a wonderful YouTuber, a little Indian boy around your age. His name is Akash. So you're going to just click on the link. I'm going to make sure that I post it in the description box below so that you can watch his videos because he has a ton of tips and tricks to help you children. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, you can watch it over and over again as you practice every day. I will post the rest of the times table as soon as I can. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.